I'm going to bring you guys along with me to Commonwealth in Greenbelt, Makati. Why? Because I actually have a meeting near Greenbelt and might as well drop by the shop. And the most important thing, I will be picking up my new Nike Sacai. So this is the chunkier, a little bit chubbier version of the Sacai, but it looks extremely comfortable. So I'm super excited to unbox it, put it on feet, and share that experience with you today. So in a nutshell, ulitin ko lang ha, two things we'll do. We will go to Greenbelt, we'll check out what are the shoes that are available, and then I will share with you once I get home, like a quick unboxing of the Sacai. And by the way, before we get started, I recently uploaded a new watch vlog. I talked about my first Panerai watch. This is actually it. So if you guys want to hear the story, the almost 10-year journey it took to buy my first Panerai watch, make sure to check that video out. I will link it down below. I have a dedicated YouTube channel just for watches. Check it out. And with that said, let's go. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure that you hit that subscribe button. And to those asking who the winner is of the Tech Mob giveaway, that's a Tech or Treat, wherein I'm going to give away a Yeezy 350 Boost Zebra. Check out the Tech Mob Facebook page. They will announce all 11 winners there. The link to the Tech Mob Facebook page can be found in the description box. Good luck to everybody who joined. And for our sneakers of the day, which one should we go for? Let's go for, yeah, this one. Really one of my favorite Jordan releases of the year. This is the Jordan 3 Fragment. So check out the review. I think I'll try to link it down below. In case I forget, search nyo na lang, ha? So tara! Okay, so the first thing that grabbed my attention over at Commonwealth are the off-white Nike rubber dunks in University Gold, but not in the adult color, but in the kids and toddlers. So really cute for kids. This one is like 3,000 pesos, and they also have a size for, well, young adults, I guess, like a smaller version. So they're still available there. You might want to check it out at Greenbelt. Now we also saw the Space Hippie sneakers. So these are made of trash in two colorways, selling for 6,745. They used to be hype, so if you want one now, they're just sitting on shelves. They also have like a ZX, I think 2K, I don't know if it's Han Solo or Lando, but that's a buckle up front, black and white, black boost, really dope looking shoe, one of the best Star Wars sneakers in my opinion. So you might want to check that out, sitting on shelf at Greenbelt. And they also had, I think it's called like an X9000 level 4, the Cyberpunk edition, all black with punk written on the midsole, the boost midsole, some sort of silver finish at the back for the heel clip. Really nice looking shoe, 7,000 plus. And then apart from that, it's mostly sneakers on sale. We had the Air Max React 270, so this one down to 5,790 plus an additional 20% off in different colors. We had the ACG React collection, 7,645 SRP down to 5,350 plus an additional 20% off in two colorways. Really nice looking and comfy shoes. We had the Vapor Max 360 from 10,645 down to 7,450 plus an additional 20% off in white and red. And we had a bunch of weird looking Air Max 720s with suede finishes at the top and overlaying straps. 9,895 SRP down to 6,930 plus an additional 20% off. One in orange, one in a really nice baby blue color. We also had a variety of Ultra Boost 20s, different colors, 9.5 down to 6,650 plus an additional 20% off, probably bringing the price down to around 5K. Different colors that you can pick from. And yeah, those were the sneakers we found interesting. Now let's get back to the studio. Okay, so as you guys can see, we have a haul from Commonwealth over here. We have two sneakers. I'll talk about the first one, which is obviously from Nike, and this is the name of the vlog, so you probably know that this is the new Nike Sacai. So it says over here, Nike Vapor Waffle Sacai in an orange box, black Nike, Bose Nike logo at the top. And if we pop this box open, I'm really excited to see the shoe up close. You have that nice looking tissue paper, and then saan na siya? Ayun, ganda talaga, guys. Whew. Ba-bam! Take a look at that sneaker. This one looks incredibly dope. Now take note that this isn't like an on-feet review. This is just an unboxing and an initial impression. So just like the previous Sacai, you have what looks to be like two sneakers meshed into one. So you have two swooshes on the lateral side. One is made out of leather, that's the red color, and then this one is just like a black print. You have some sort of like almost see-through mesh on the side panels over here, so you can make that, you know, play around with your socks and the colors. You have two colors of laces interspersed with one another, black and white. You have over here at the back the Nike Sacai logo. And of course, you have this weird looking double foam stacked on top of one another. That's probably the reason why the sneaker is a little bit heavy compared to the previous models. So you have some sort of like hairy suede here along the toe box, and it runs along the lacing system as well. So I got it in the white, blue, red color. I got it primarily because it reminds me a lot of Gundam. Of course, oh, I almost forgot, you also have like two tongue taps. So I'll be doing a full review of this one soon, but I just wanted to show you guys that we have the sneaker already on hand. Got it from Commonwealth, and we will be doing the review. Watch out for it. Man, they look really nice. And I have one last sneaker to unbox. This is going to be a gift for one of my friends. So this is the Nike Rubber Dunk Off-White University Gold baby size, so 3C. So it just looks really cool. So there you have it. Kitang-kita nyo naman, ang cute niya, ang liit-liit niya. And even comes with like a baby zip tie, zip tag. Again, in the same like suede color. This one's like 3,000 something pesos. And then we also have it here with extra laces. So even like the baby sneakers have extra laces. Ang cute, diba? So, so again, these are some of the sneakers that I found over at Commonwealth. So guys, check them out. They're one of the best sneaker stores in the Philippines. They have multiple branches, Greenbelt, over at Rockwell, and of course over at SM Aura. And you can even check out their website where they regularly do amazing discounts and sales. And with that said, that's actually it for today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. Very quick unboxing, very quick shopping vlog just to show you around. Expect the full review of the Sacai very soon. This is Carlo signing out. Peace, God bless, what's up? Boom.